So, hey everyone, want to build a career in cybersecurity but don't know where to start? Don't make the mistake of jumping straight into hacking tools. It will only confuse you. So, here's the right roadmap. Start with networking to understand how devices communicate. Then learn Linux because it's operating system used by most cybersecurity professionals. Next, build your foundation with ethical hacking to understand how cyber attack works. So once your basics are strong, you can choose a domain that matches your career goals. Whether it's a SOC, whether it's a penetration testing, cloud security, digital forensics, GRC, malware analysis, or any other cybersecurity specialization. The key is to keep practicing through labs, build real projects, and earn industry recognized certification. That's what makes you job ready. And at Sky States, we provide live training, hands-on labs, and real-world learning. We also offer cybersecurity, data science with AI, DevOps programs. So follow Sky States and start building your tech career today.